Every football begins with nature's first essential ingredient, natural rubber. Fresh latex is gathered with precision before beginning its industrial journey. Efficient transport preserves the quality of every drop. Before manufacturing begins, the latex is carefully prepared. Purity is the foundation of consistent football performance. Modern footballs combine natural and engineered materials. Engineered foam gives every football its responsive touch.
High-strength fibers provide the structure hidden beneath the surface.
Every layer contributes to lasting durability. The outer shell is engineered for precision and control.
Every component must meet strict standards before production begins.
With every material approved, football manufacturing is ready to begin. Every shipment enters a carefully organized supply chain. Digital tracking guarantees complete material traceability. Smart storage keeps production flowing without interruption. Automation delivers every material exactly when it is needed. Controlled environments protect material quality before production. Precision chemistry strengthens every future football. Balanced compounds create consistent performance. Every cushioning layer begins with exact dimensions. Structural strength depends on perfectly prepared reinforcement. Surface preparation ensures lasting control and durability.
Every material arrives together for the first manufacturing stage.
Now, the raw materials begin their transformation into a football. Precision begins with perfectly cut football panels.
Every football panel is measured with microscopic precision.
Automation keeps every football component perfectly organized. Every football receives its unique visual identity. Texture transforms smooth material into match-ready performance. Every millimeter influences the final playing experience. Hidden layers create the field player's experience on every touch. Strength is engineered into every layer. Perfect bonding begins with controlled precision. Controlled curing prepares every panel for lasting construction. Individual pieces are now ready to become a complete football. Now, craftsmanship and automation unite to build every football. The first stitch marks the beginning of every football structure. Perfect alignment ensures a perfectly balanced football. Strong seams hold every football together under intense play. Every seam must withstand thousands of powerful impacts. Piece by piece, the football takes shape. The smallest details define the football's final performance. Quality checks continue throughout every stage of assembly. The final panels complete the iconic football design. A nearly complete shell prepares for its core component. Geometry is checked before the football gains its internal heart. Precision synchronization keeps production moving seamlessly. Football shell is complete, ready to receive its vital core. At the heart of every football lies a perfectly engineered butyl bladder. A perfectly sealed valve guarantees reliable air retention. Every bladder must prove its strength before entering the football. Even the smallest leak is detected before assembly continues. The completed shell is prepared to receive its core. Precision placement ensures perfect balance inside every football. Accurate valve positioning guarantees reliable performance. The final seam completes the football's construction. Precise air pressure brings the football to life. Stabilization ensures every football holds its perfect form. The first bounce reveals the success of the assembly process. Every football must prove it can perform on the world's biggest stages. Check the temperature on line 3. Reading steady at 200 Celsius. Closing the press now. Heat permanently stabilizes the football's structure. Each football emerges with its permanent, match-ready shape. Every seam is refined for strength and consistency. Controlled conditions lock every layer into place. Perfect balance ensures predictable flight on the field. Advanced imaging confirms flawless craftsmanship. Stable pressure prepares every football for its final refinement. A flawless finish begins with a perfectly clean surface. Every dimension is verified against exact engineering standards. Automation keeps every football moving with perfect precision. Now, intelligent automation takes over every remaining step. Precision robotics handle every football with perfect consistency. Every football is automatically guided through the correct production path. Advanced vision systems inspect every rugby ball with unmatched precision. Exact positioning ensures flawless downstream processing. Every movement is timed with remarkable precision. Robotic coordination keeps production flowing without pause.
Centralized control keeps every football on schedule.
Continuous monitoring prevents interruptions before they happen. Intelligent storage keeps production perfectly balanced. Every football moves forward in perfect synchronization. Automation prepares every football for its final refinement. The final details transform every football into a finished product. Every football receives its official identity with absolute precision. Permanent identification ensures every football can be traced throughout its lifetime. Every football leaves the finishing line with a flawless appearance. Final appearance matters as much as performance for every football. A protective finish helps every football perform season after season. Controlled drying completes the finishing process for every football. Even the smallest finishing detail contributes to a complete football. Engineering precision defines every finished football. Every football is prepared to represent the highest manufacturing standards. Only perfection advances to the next stage of every football's journey. Every football now enters its most demanding stage of inspection. Now every football must prove it deserves to reach the game. Every football begins laboratory testing with precise pressure verification. Every football must withstand the force of professional play. Consistent performance defines every football before it reaches the field. Every football is measured against exact engineering standards. Water resistance ensures reliable football performance in every condition. Every football is carefully rechecked after environmental testing. Long-term durability is essential for every football. Every football seam is tested for lasting reliability. Comprehensive testing confirms every football meets strict quality standards. Only approved footballs continue toward packaging. Every certified football now begins its final journey. The final step prepares every football for players around the world. Every football is carefully packaged to reach players in perfect condition. Secure packaging protects every football throughout its journey. Protective wrapping prepares every football for safe transportation. Automation builds stable pallet loads for every football shipment.
Every football shipment is secured for global transport.
Organized storage keeps every football ready for delivery. Every football shipment is prepared with complete logistical precision. Finished footballs begin their journey to athletes around the world. Every football leaves the factory ready for the next match. Every football is built to perform where the game truly begins. And this is how modern factories produce footballs from start to finish.